I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Now here search and select Asana. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit Asana API console. Now click on Create New Token. Give them a meaningful name as you want. Check the list. Then create token. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Action. Select Project. Then select Section. Now map the fields. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Asana. Here is the data that came into Asana through the integration.